Welcome back to Carlo. Today is the review of B6 Mahindra 2025. Let's start. The Mahindra B6 is a compact electric SUV that combines advanced technology, robust performance, and a futuristic design. Below is an overview of its key features. Performance and battery. Battery capacity. Equipped with a 59 kWh lithium-ion battery. Power output. Delivers 228 bhp, enabling the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in approximately 6.7 seconds. Dimensions. Length. 4,371 mm. Width. 1,907 mm. Height. 1,627 mm. Wheelbase. 2,775 mm. Ground clearance. 207 mm. Safety. Crash test rating. Achieved a 5-star rating in the Bharat NCAP safety crash test, scoring 31.97 out of 32 points for adult occupant safety and 45 out of 49 points for child occupant protection. Interior and technology. Infotainment system. Features a wide touchscreen display extending from the driver to the front passenger, providing an intuitive interface for navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems (ADAS) includes features like blind spot detection and rear cross traffic assist to enhance driving safety. Artificial intelligence integration. Incorporates Maya, Mahindra's AI system, offering personalized assistance and enhancing the overall driving experience. Exterior design. Futuristic aesthetics. Boasts an aggressive and modern design with a bold, all-black front fascia and a prominent air duct on the bonnet to improve aerodynamics and efficiency. Lighting. Equipped with C-shaped LED daytime running lights (DRLs) and full LED headlights, contributing to its sporty appearance. Additional features. Comfort and convenience. Offers amenities such as wireless mobile charging, automatic climate control, multiple drive modes, and a panoramic sunroof. Audio system. Comes with a 16-speaker Harman Kardon audio system for an immersive listening experience. The Mahindra B6 represents a significant advancement in Mahindra's electric vehicle lineup, combining performance, safety, and cutting-edge technology in a compact SUV format. Welcome back to Carlo. Today is the review of B6 Mahindra 2025. Let's start. The Mahindra B6 is a compact electric SUV that combines advanced technology, robust performance, and a futuristic design.